I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Christmas hat. We'll explore various methods for acquiring the perfect festive headwear, whether you prefer to purchase one or craft it yourself. Discover the wide array of styles and materials available, from classic Santa hats to unique, personalized designs. Our goal is to help you find or create a hat that adds a touch of holiday cheer to your celebrations, ensuring you're ready for any festive occasion. Finding the ideal Christmas hat is easy with many purchasing options. Retail stores, both large and small, offer a wide selection, from simple felt designs to more elaborate plush versions. Online marketplaces provide incredible convenience and a broader range of unique designs, often with hundreds of choices. For something truly special, consider specialty costume shops, which might carry higher quality or even custom-made options, ensuring you find exactly what you envision for the holiday season. Crafting your own Christmas hat allows for wonderful personalization and creativity. Begin by gathering simple materials like red or green felt, some fluffy cotton balls for trim, and perhaps a bit of glitter or sequins for sparkle. You can easily find free patterns online for various hat styles, from traditional conical shapes to more whimsical elf designs. This DIY approach lets you create a truly unique accessory, perfectly tailored to your festive vision, making it a fun project for all ages. When choosing your Christmas hat, consider the many delightful styles available. The classic Santa hat, typically made from soft red felt with a white pom-pom and trim, remains a timeless favorite. However, you might also explore novelty hats like playful elf hats, festive reindeer antlers, or elegant themed headbands. Regardless of your choice, ensure the hat offers a comfortable fit for extended wear during all your holiday celebrations, allowing you to enjoy the festivities without any discomfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.